Digimon. This is Digipet World X. X free. Yeah, that's right. Because we're going to video out that. Because we're going to Digimon. We're going to teach you how to play. Yeah, and how to pindot. Okay? Let's go in the video. This is the Digimon. This bumaba mo sa lamesa. Sa lamesa. How to make. First, we need to put this inside where I'm crazy. First, put this over here. Then put this over there. Put this over there. Then first, tap, move. Move, tap, left, right, tap. Speak to this guy. Welcome to the world of the Digi. We sleep. I sleep. No, sleep. Yeah, that's always sleep. And 7 days na. Let's go in the video. Now, this is hello. Welcome to the digital world. I am Bamman. And I am the guardian of the digital eggs. You are a human. Are you? Use my powers to make connection with the real world. We don't know this what says. Skip. To ask. I don't know. To ask for help from a human. Glad you answered me. We can speak here. Wait, you can in the Sinara market. Okay, just walk right here. Your partner. Cross the fields. Good luck. This is crazy. Right. Yeah, that's so crazy. Magbabasa pa tayo. Pero, hindi na naman kailangan magbasa. We need to find... She's angry. Angry in the games. Better than happy, sad, and pwede ka. When she's hungry. Agumon is hungry. Chicken. Please. Tuturo mo kung saan ilalagay sa ground. That is feed. Move, then get it. Yes. Now move. Hi, tamer. If there's something in your way, your pet attack. Make sure move the button selected, then touch the target order and attack. Yes. When you see this, press it and then attack. We don't know what this name is, and this is my first one. That is the fusion. Kaya, maraki siya. Meron ako yun, kaya, sa ano na lang, part 2 yung tingnan yun. Okay, that is this in the other video. Part 2. Oopsies, cheap poo. And that is, this part 2 is going to be different. It's going to be Gabumon. Gabumon, not Agumon. Why? It's a different self. A different self is what you video. This video is the self holding has the mans like Gamumon. Yeah, kasi sa akin yung video. Kaya tingnan yung video ko at para makita niyo yung video para si Agumon. Maganda yun. Kaya, tingnan natin ang na-games. My games. No. First, it's like this every day. Okay? When I'm day, I don't want to day. 18. I going to crazy. Pag may bilog na yung my 5, she says when have like this. You see other, when you see that, this, you can battle. First, top battle. This battle. You don't need to see the guide. Just follow this. Keep, remember, battle. Battle. No. Magsusong yan. She sleep. She's always sleep because the fight is sleep, sleep, sleep. Okay? Yeah. Oh, yes. I am fast. When you see chip, press the chip. Press the chip. Press any chips. Wait for the chips. Black chip. Black chip. Black chip. Black chip and black. When you win 5 wins, you can get this. When no wins, when you battle, you need to get no. Yeah, she's right. Uh-oh, poo-poo. Uh-oh, she's poo-poo. Okay. Go, go, go. Chips. Extra attack. Para marami attack. Go, 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 go. Oh. Malapit na maalis yan, kaya she says Filipino. I'm half English and half Filipino. Yeah, because natuto siya ng English at Filipino. Filipino na nakita niya. This is Filipino talk. This is English talk. English na siya kasi umupo. Oo. Then, clean mo. This, I don't need to clean. Why no more? Oopsies, hungry. Ouchies, ouchies. Algoman, let's see. Stats. When I'm level 30, I can digivolve. Level 30 na ako eh. But she's not Algoman. That is Gabuman. Yeah, she's so small. And pag level up na okay, ako, wait. Then, I got you these. Just find them. When you see the red light, this is friendship. When happy, your pet recover life faster. Hope check. Your pet will your enemy attacks with 1 HP. Okay? Now, bye guys. This is Stephen. Bye! And the part 2 is me. Part 2 ay siya muna. Tapos yung part 3 sa akin. Kaya, watch that video, okay? Bye guys! Tip! Bye-bye! Bye guys! Bye guys! First, you need to see my face. You want to see my body? Mabo! Hello! Bye guys! Francine, David. And just comment below. Just comment below and like and subscribe. Don't dislike. And next, when the part up to part 3, when it's part 3, it's finished. Yeah, that's so great. Friends, when pagtapos na yung part 3, when part 3 is finished, part 3 is finished. Yes, you can get Kitty Cat Cando episodes up to part 2. Bye guys! Makikita nyo, gagawa kami cookie na ice cream. Masarap yun. And part 3 na. Bye-bye! When cat videos when part 2 is finished also, we're going to get pranking.
Yeah. See, so